अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो। वन्दे गुरुपदद्वन्द्वं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यं प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं। नन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोद्यं गोपीनां समयुक्तानां वृन्दावनमनोहर। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्री गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So, first of all, offer my humble, respectful obeisances, Lotus feet of Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satyavan Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satyavan Bhakti Vedanta Srila Nayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satyavan Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented, all of my respectful guests. All you understand English or not? Who do not understand English, can he will speak in Spanish?
I can understand English? No, she understands English.
Oh, you understand English? You will not understand? Then maybe you can translate or you. And okay, sit down, chalo. Too late, 1 o'clock almost. Then we take prasad, then also again next program also. So today is super excellent auspicious day. Today Ekadashi Tithi. Ekadashi Tithi Bhakti Janani. Sang the song or not? Ekadashi Tithi is many names also. There are many names of Ekadashi Tithi. What is the name of Ekadashi Tithi? Madhav Tithi, not Madhavi. Madhava Tithi. Madhava Tithi. Harivasar Tithi. Or another? And Srivasar and Harivasar Tithi, Ekadashi Tithi, Madhav Tithi. This name. But why Ekadashi Tithi name is called Madhava Tithi? This is very important. Listen very carefully. Why Ekadashi Tithi name is called Madhava Tithi? Why not Govinda Tithi? Why not Vishnu Tithi? Question coming or not? You understand? If anybody asks, why Ekadashi Tithi name is called Madhava Tithi? Ekadashi Tithi Bhakti Janani. Jatane palan. Madhava Tithi, what is you saying? Then Madhava Tithi, Krishna Vasati Boli Parama Adara Kari. Then what is saying the Madhava Tithi? What is the song book? एक भी remember नहीं करते कुछ. What is the Madhava?
Madhava Tithi Bhakti Janani Jatane
translation in the book of Madhava.
Why Ekadashi Tithi's name is called Madhava Tithi? Why not Govinda Tithi? Eh? Here this saying, Madhava Tithi Bhakti Janani Jatane Palana Kori Krishna Vasati Vasati Boli Parama Adara Bori. I carefully observed Madhav and holy days such as Ekadasi and Janmashtami, for they are the mother of devotion. Knowing that the Krishna dwells in these holy days with the great regards, I also accept them as my residence. यदि माधव तिथि भक्ति जननी जतने पालन करी कृष्ण वसति वसति बोली परम आदर बरी. Bhakti Vinod Thakur is called seventh Goswami, Saptam Goswami Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Also Bhakti Vinod Thakur very nearly dearest Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he gave his own identity. I am Kamal Manjari and my age 12.5 years. And very nicely Bhakti Vinod Thakur gave his own Siddha Parichaya, own transcendental identification. So what Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying, this is the absolutely truth. He is saying Ekadashi Tithi name is called also Madhava Tithi. Why not Govinda Tithi? Today we are saying Govinda Tithi. Vishnu Tithi. Vishnu Tithi are not saying, Govinda Tithi. Are not saying. Are saying Madhava Tithi. Here Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely explained this way. Because Krishna's name is called Madhava. And Srimati Radhika's name is called Madhavi. Understand this? Why Srimati Radhika's name is called Madhavi? Because Srimati Radhika, she controlled to Krishna with her sweet activities. Gautama Tantra also explains, Devi Krishnamai Prapta Radhika Paradevata Sarva Lakshmai Sarvakamti Sarmahini Para. So Srimati Radhika, she got Sarva Lakshmi Mai. What is saying? Sarva Lakshmi. That means Sarva Lakshmi means she is the source of all Lakshmis, those who are consort of Lord Narayan in Vaikuntha Dham. Innumerable Vaikuntha Dham. And Lord manifested in his innumerable incarnation. And all the incarnation name also Lakshmi. The Lakshmi Nisingha. Lakshmi Narayan. Where is Lord, his consort is there also. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this way. Innumerable Vaikunthas, that is called Maha Vaikuntha. Learn some Tattva Siddhanta. Innumerable Vaikuntha, Ananta Vaikuntha, that is called Maha Vaikuntha. So in Maha Vaikuntha's Lord, many forms is there. Chaturbhuj forms is there. All they are called Shankha Chakra Gada Padma. But according to their holding the Shankha Chakra Gada Padma, that name is coming. Understand? You read Chaitanya Charitamrita, Sanatana Shiksha, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also explained in this way. So different name is there also. So now come in this way, Krishna's one name is called Madhava Tithi. Madhav also one name is called, the spring season name also Madhav. Basanta Tithi, Basanta Kal, also Madhava. This is very nice, beautiful. And Madhumas, many is coming in this way. So now coming in this way, Krishna's name is called Madhava. Radhika's name is called Madhavi. Very sweet. And why Srimati Radhika's name is called Madhavi? Because Srimati Radhika, she controls to Krishna with her sweet mood. And very sweet, soft mood. And she can control to Krishna. So for this regard, says her name is also Madhavi. And her another flowers, also Madhavi flowers. Madhavi and Malati flowers. And two kinds of flowers, Madhavi and Malati. You have seen or no? They are little bit also are pink colors. Very sweet fragrance coming. Madhavi, Malati. And also Srimati Radhika, another Sakhi's name also called also Malati. And many is it. Now coming in this way, Krishna name is called Madhava. Or Srimati Radhika, his name is called Madhavi. In Jayavadharma Grantha, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained why Srimati Radhika name is called Madhavi. So now coming in this way, Krishna is called Madhava. Madhava means Madhava. And what Sanatana Goswami Pad, Jiva Goswami Pad, in their commentary explained, Madhava. Ma means Sarva Lakshmi, Srimati Radhika. Dhav means beloved. And there is Srimati Radhika, very near and dearest, and beloved, that is called Krishna, Madhava. And the beloved of Sarva Lakshmi, Srimati Radhika. And so in this Gautama Tantra also explain this Devi Krishnamai Prokta Radhika Paradevata. Then Sarvakanti Sarva Lakshmi Sanmahini Para. They are Sarva Lakshmi. Sarva Lakshmi is Srimati Radhika. She is the source of all the consorts of Narayan. For this regard, she is called Sarva Lakshmi. This is called. There are many meanings also. Madhava. Gita Govindam. Srila Jayadev Goswami Pad. Also wrote, Madhava Madhava Jai. Madhava Ma Bada Koi Tapa. Madhava Ma Bada Koi Tapa. Hey Madhav, get out from my kunja. Ma Bada Koi Tapa, don't you speak? And flattering words. Ma Bada Koi Tapa. Koi Tapa means flattering words. I don't want to listen your any flattering words. And so saying Madhava Madhava Jai. Ma Bada Koi Tapa. Then next day, Krishna came and met with Srimati Radhika. And Krishna asked Srimati Radhika, why you very angry with me last night? Why did you angry with me? What is the reason? Then Srimati Radhika said, I angry with you? Well, yes. Well, what did I say? When you angry someone, you can speak any words. Just your mouth coming and speaking. Indiscriminate. Then you forget also. What did we say? You understand? When you become very angry, very difficult to control your urges of your tongue. What you speaking? Automatically coming out. And after a few minutes, you also forget also. What did we say? In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she told, you, my beloved Krishna, tell to me, what did I say to you? Yesterday, what did he say? Then Krishna told, okay, I remember, I tell you. When you, yesterday you angry with me and you told me, Madhava Madhava Jahi, Ma Bada Koito. Hey Madhav, get out from my kunja. I don't want to listen your flattering words. What he told. Then Srimati Radhika, she told, oh my Prana Govinda, listen. I tell you what? I address you Madhava. What is it? Madhava. Sanskrit word, Ma means not. Understand? Or dhab means running fast. Eh? Understand? Sanskrit word also say run fast. That is called dhab. Eh? Run fast. That means I tell you, you don't go. Eh?
Don't go.
Don't go fast. Eh? You have to go. Eh? But how to go? Slow. Here ma, dhab. You can celebrate this word, Sanskrit word. Ma means not. Or dhab means running fast. That means you should not go fast. How to do? Slowly. Mane, you have to stay with me. Eh? Little bit. Eh? You cannot stay with me longer. Because I am not your married wife. Eh? You can stay with your married wife longer, as much as you like. Eh? Wife and husband, they can sit together and as much as they like. These two are wrong. But that person is not your husband or that girl, she is not your
Why?
wife. You cannot stay
Very long.
eh?
Very long.
Very long. Eh? Understand? Now the Srimati Radhika, she explained this way. Eh? You are my beloved. So, beloved in parable mood. So, you cannot stay with me too long. Mane? Get longer, not stay. So, I tell you, you have to go. But go how to?
So slowly.
Slowly. Mane? Eh? So, saying, Madhava. So, Madhava, Jai. Hey, Madhav, you go. But how to go? Slowly. Mane? You have to stay few minutes, few hours, then go. Not 3-4 hours staying together. Then everybody chastise or not. Hey, she is not your wife. Eh? Criticize or not. Or if your wife will see, you are sitting and 2 hours or 3 hours with
Another woman.
unmarried lady, then wife will be angry or not? Tell to me. Eh? Understand? So Srimati Radhika, she gave very nice advice, very calm and quiet. So saying that, Madhava. And there are many meanings of Madhava. Ma means not, Dhav means run fast. Eh? Understand? Or Ma means Lakshmi, Sarva Lakshmi Srimati Radhika. Dhav means husband. Dhav means also husband. Eh? Understand? As you saying, be dhava. What is saying?
Vidhava.
Vidhava. Dhava. Be dhava. Who has no husband. He is called
Vidhava.
Vidhava. Be means not. Negative word. And Dhav means Pati. Who has no husband. Meaning whose husband died. According to the Vedic culture. So she is called Vidhava. Dhava. Dhav means who has no, her husband died. So here we use this word, dhav. Eh? Understand? Vidhava. That is called a feminine gender. Vidhava. Vidhava feminine gender or not? Eh? So,
पुरुष को क्या?
eh?
पुरुष को क्या? जो जिसका पत्नी चला
Purush, whose wife left body? Ah, a good question also. Whose wife left bush? Okay, I will find out. Then tell you. Of course, this name is there. Sanskrit word, whose wife left body.
Must be located somewhere.
opposite of Vidhava.
Vidhava is opposite word. Opposite word Sadhava. Vidhava, Sadhava.
Sadhu.
Vidur.
No, whose husband, whose wife left body.
The husband was no one.
Widow.
In English, it's
English is widow. What is the opposite of widow?
What's the male for widow? No, in English.
widower.
Widower.
So look for opposite of Vidava
Here.
in Hindi.
Okay, listen very carefully. So, what is it? Ekadasi Tithis, his name is called Madhava Tithi. Eh? Because Sarvalakshmi Srimati Radhika, she the controller to Krishna. Eh? Understand this thing? So Ekadasi Tithi means is what? Actual, we observe Srimati Radhika also. And that Srimati Radhika, she is very important in our Gaudiya Vaishnava. And Akela Madhava Pujay So Agyani. Radha Bhajane Jadi Mati Nahi Velo Krishna Bhajane Tabo Okarane Gelo. Atparohito Suraj Nahi Mani Radha Virohito Madhav Nahi Mani. Then Akela Madhava Bhaje Se So Agyani. Kevala Madhava Pujay So Agyani. Radha Virohito Madhav Nahi Mani.
You can't say.
Bhaktivinoda Thakur Kirtan. You listen or you read or not? You have no time to read. Radha bhajane jadi mati nahi velo Krishna bhajana taba akarane ge ata parohita Suraj nahi mani Radha virohito Madhav nahi mani. Here also Radha virohito Madhav nahi mani. Without Srimati Radhika, what is the meaning of Madhava? Nothing. And where is Krishna? There is Radha. Where is Radha? There is Krishna. So very important this way. And so we worship which? Ekadasi Tithi, Madhava Tithi. Or you cannot worship only Madhav. You have to worship Srimati Radhika. So Ekadasi Tithi means give the intense to Srimati Radhika. Bolo Radha Rani ki. Understand? So Ekadasi Tithi is also name is called Madhava Tithi. Understand this? Before our Goswamis, even our Goswamis, before they not manifest Srimati Radhika, they hide. Ma Janhva Devi, when she came in Vrindavan, then he said the Murti, Srimati Radhika Murti, or the temple. You understand? Yeah. Our Goswami will like, what is the name of the Govinda Dev temple name? Radha Govinda Dev, Kina? What is it saying? Govinda Dev. Madan Mohan. We added in this word. Radha Govinda Dev. And Madan Mohan. Not Radha Madan Mohan. Understand? And then all our Goswamis are there. Before his word, only Krishna. You understand? Gopinath.
Why?
Eh?
Why?
Because that time our they also hide. Because Braj, one thing is that they not to show their ladies. Ladies always is what? Cover. If ladies not cover their head with the veil, then everybody see their face. Braj, one thing is very important. Married, especially married lady. They always cover their head with the bell. Huh? Understand? You see, when we discuss about this katha, Krishna's great grandson, Vajranath, he manifests first Vigraha. Which Vigraha? Madan Mohan. Why not Radharani? Huh? You understand? When you discuss, because Krishna's great grandson and Vajranath, he did not see to Krishna. So for this regard, he asked to Uttara. Uttara understand? The mother of Parikshit Maharaj. Uttara saw Krishna. So for this regard, how to give the instruction? Then she gave the instruction. Okay, Krishna figure did this. Then Vajranath, he manifested first Vigraha. Then Uttara, she told, okay, Krishna's thus feet is as it is. So for this regard, that Vigraha's name is called Madan Mohan. But Vajranath not manifested Srimati Radhika. So first Vigraha is called Madan Mohan, not Radharani. You understand? Radharani. Where is Radharani? Huh? Then Vajranath, he manifested second Vigraha. That is called Govinda Dev. And okay, his face is as like Krishna. So gave his name Govinda Dev. Where is Radha? Eh? Then Vajranath, he manifests another Vigraha. Eh? That time Uttara Devi, she told, oh, this face is as like Krishna's original chest. That is called Gopinath. Eh? So who manifested there? Srimati Radhika. Radha Vigraha. Eh? Question coming or not? Eh? Vajranath, Krishna's great grandson, he manifests only Krishna. Madan Mohan, Govinda Dev, and Gopinath. Or the Gaudiya Tin Thakur. And Gaudiya Tin, Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan. এই তিন গৌড়িয়ারে করিয়াছে আত্মসাৎ। And Gaudiya Vaishnava three deities, Govinda, Gopinath, and Madan Mohan. So first you take darshan Madan Mohan, Samanda Dishtatri Devata. Then you take darshan Govinda Dev and Ovidev Dishtatri, the presiding deities of law. Or then you manifest, then you take darshan Gopinath. President Dishtatri Devata Gopinath. Where is Srimati Radhika? And yesterday I told, for this regard, they also, others, and people, they also complain. Why would worship Govinda Dev with Srimati Radhika? Actually, Ma Jannava Devi. Nityananda Shakti, Ma Jannava Devi. She manifests also. And she also sent all the deities Radharani in all the temple of Vrindavan. Because before all our Goswami, they worship Thakurji, the Radharani, they are hiding, not showing to everybody. Because Radha, Srimati Radhika, she is very confidential. Understand? And Braj, one thing is called, everything should be hide. Understand? Radha Nam, Radha Katha, this is also confidential. For this regard, Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he did not take the name of any gopis or Radha's name. And Srila Sanatana Goswami, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained also. Why? Sukadeva Goswami Pad did not utter the name of any gopis or Radha Nam in Srimad Bhagavatam direct. Other Puranas explain. Because when Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he was speaking Bhagavad Katha in the assembly of Parikshit Maharaj. And Sukadeva Goswami so much absorbed with Srimati Radhika. Just to remember to Srimati Radhika, Sanmasik Bhavid Murcha. And 6 months, complete her unconscious, fainted. So how will you speak Harikatha in front of Parikshit Maharaj? Only 7 days. And so for this regard, he also indirectly, he take the name of every gopis name in there, not direct. Anaya radhito nunang bhagavan haririshwar janno vihayo govind pito jat jamunat raha. Bhagavad says, Anaya radhito Krishnena aradhita iti radha. Many slokas also there. Even our Goswamis explain every slokas of Srimad Bhagavatam. Radha Nam is there. 18,000 slokas. How many slokas Srimad Bhagavatam? 18,000. Every sloka is there. But why do you say one sloka? Or another Srimad Bhagavat is called indirect. And Prakshobado Vedo Ayam Balanusasanam. If you speak anything indirect, that is very sweet. Or if you speak direct, no sweetness will not come. Understand? Gurudev gave an example. New bride. New bride, what is doing? Vedic culture have to
Cover your face.
cover his face. Then everybody thinking, oh, new bride, how is she? How is she? How is she? Curiosity will come. Or if she will come and in her father-in-law's house, and also
Take the veil off.
take the veil off. Then everybody, oh, this is nothing, useless. No one give the attention.
Discipline.
If anything is covered, you understand? Then curiosity will come. This is true wrong. This is the, or if anything is open, no curiosity. Even the small baby, just to close your fingers and so to in front of your baby. Baby think, Mom, what is this? What is this? What is this? You show your baby? Understand? Nothing, maybe nothing inside. Baby think, maybe mom something important. Mom. As her mom is always open this, baby is not doing anything. Curiosity creates this word. And how to know about this? In the same way, brush this tradition also. Here Srimad Bhagavat is saying, Paraksho Bado Oyang Balanu Sasanam. Srimad Bhagavat, all words that is called Paraksho Bad. Paraksho Bad means indirect. If I tell, here is there, this person is suffering cloth, this name, this coming. Nobody give attention. Okay, it is. This brahmachari, I tell. But when I will tell, here is one brahmachari, very nice, and shaved his head, saffron cloth, this and this, then everybody looking, who is he? I said, watching or not? So when the indirect words you will speak, that is so much sweetness and eagerness will come. So for this, Srimad Bhagavata explained this. Paraksho Bado Ayang. Or Paraksho Bad means Parakya Bad. Gurudev explained. Paraksho Bad. What do you say? Paraksha means? Indirect word. Or Paraksha means is what? Parakya. One is called Sakya, and is called Parakya. Sakya means is what? Married wife and husband. That is called Sakya Bad. Understand? If you tell who is she is my wife. Nobody give you attention. Chalo, is your wife and husband. Understand? If your wife and husband is sitting, and she has also what is it called? Bindi, and also bangles, on everything. Oh, she is married wife. People not give the attention to the Married wife. But she is already
Married.
married.
Retaken.
Eh? Understand? And someone put the stamp. Eh? Understand? Eh? Already put the sindur. Sindur, understand? Eh? And Mangal Sutra. Eh? So no one given. And that means this is the land of others. So others' property.
I shouldn't say that.
Huh? Understand? So no one give attention. And this is true. Just I give the mundane kasa. But this is true also. Huh? But if she has no, what is called, sindur, no any sign of Mangal Sutra, then to be nonsense guy, give you more attention. Huh? Understand? This is the nature also. So people also do this way also. Parakyatta is very realizable. Understand? But in this material world, parakya bhav, that is called
Degraded.
sinful activity, not degrade. Sinful activity. After your death, we will go direct to Jam Maharaj place. And you will say, oh, I am chanting holy name. I chanting holy name. Stupid nonsense, rascal. Come here. But I will leave with you and bring to direct place of Jam Maharaj.
Jamil Katha.
Eh?
Jamil Katha.
Understand? Very powerful. So in this material world, no Parabur mood. Only Parabur manifests in Golok Vrindavan. Not even Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura. Parakyatta bhav. Eh? Only manifest, Parabur manifests in Golok Vrindavan. Eh? Only the heart of the Braj Gopis. Eh? So far the Bhakti Thakur saying, and Braja Gopi Bhav, you know what he's saying? না যদি গৌরাঙ্গ নইত তবে কি হইত কেমনে ধরিতাম দে রাধার মহিমা প্রেম রস সীমা জগতে জানা তোকে ব্রজ গোপী ভাব হইবে স্বভাব अरे नहीं दिस सॉन्ग ये भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर सिंह हैं अरे दिस सॉन्ग यदि गौरांग नहीं तो हैं यदि गौरांग नहीं तो तबे की होई तो केमने धरिताम रे दे राधार महिमा प्रेम रस सीमा जगते जानते के दे एक भी कीर्तन याद नहीं रखते कुछ क्या बोलेंगे बोलो हैं हाँ ये लोग यार ही सही मेरे हैं मधुर बिंदा विपिन माधुरी प्रवेश चातुरी सार आर पर ब्रजेर जुवती भावेर भकती सकती होई तो कार and this is very important and brajero juvati bhavero bhakati sakati hoyi to कार who would have had true insight to enter the sweet and that is called now rapture of the forest of Vrindadevi. This one, no? Vrinda Devi and power of the render of the loving service to the mood of the themselves of Braj. Madhura Vrinda, Vipina Madhuri,
Pravesha Chaturasa.
Sir.
Who would have had true insight to enter the sweet rapture of the forest of Vrinda Devi and the power to render loving service in the mood of the damsels of Braj.
Brajagopi's mood is their parakya bhav. Who can understand? if Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would not appear in this Kali Yuga, very difficult to understand. Braj Gopis, Parakya Bhav. Huh? This is very important. So Parakya Bhav. Huh? You understand? These are things. So I am saying because Srimad Bhagavatam discourses always Parokshabad, Parakyabad. Here Parokya means indirect. That is called Parakyabad also. Not Shakya Katha. Very topmost mood. But this topmost mood Parakyabad only manifests in Golok Vrindavan, not in this material world. In this material world, that is called sinful activities, Narakgam. After your death, you have to go the place of Jam Maharaj. No one stop to you. You will say, oh, I did bhajan. Bhajan sadhan. Well, I am living in Radha Kund. Understand? One devotee of Sai Maharaj. Hey, listen. One devotee of Sai Maharaj. He asked to Sai Maharaj, Gurudev, I want to live in Radha Kunda. But no, you cannot stay Radha Kunda. Why not? But you don't know. If you will go there, then you will stay in Narakunda. You have no idea about Radha Kunda. You are not qualified to stay in Radha Kunda. If you stay Radha Kunda, then you will stay Narakunda. You read. And Sai Maharaj, he tells you this. But why? Because if you not control your senses, then you will do which Parakya Bhav? Mundane Parakya Bhav. As like many Sahajiyas doing. My wife is Radha, or I am Krishna. Understand? So that is called what? Narakuru. So don't go. For this guy, don't go Radha Kunda. Who can stay in Radha Kunda? Who is moved, who is free from all unearth thoughts. Unearth and everything. Bhaktivedanta Sai Maharaj, he told this. Because when I listen highest katha, oh Radha Kunda is topmost. So I will go Radha Kunda, stay in there. And your desire is good. But you have to qualify. Qualification. Radha Kunda de Dibba. Jatkin Jitana Gulmakikutum Kong. Goshti Samustim Tat. Sarvananda Mukunda Deitam Lilanu Kulang Param. Sastri was putting the Nastington Jancha Brahmadivi Saspino Madhyang Tayavandati. Brajabhumi. Radha Kunda, Vrindavan, all they are transcendent. Understand? This is the process. For the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Jagadananda, Vrindavan Jaive, na ruive chirakal. Govardhan dekhiya, na dekhive Gopal. Everything give instruction according to their qualification. Go Vrindavan, but don't stay too longer. Why? If you have unearthas, then you cannot stand and Braj and Brajavasis.
Properly appreciate. Properly appreciate.
Understand this way. So saying Vrindavan Jaive, na rahive chirakal. Or Govardhan Chariya, na dikhve Gopal. Never you step on the top of Giriraj Govardhan. If you go Vrindavan, Giriraj Govardhan, many Brajavasi, they are walking or not? Understand? They are taking the goat. You have seen goat, they are also walking. Understand? Yeah. They born in there. So they can do anything. But you should not imitate to that Brajavasi. Mahaprabhu for this saying, Govardhan Jaive, ek Vrindavan Jaive, na rahive chirakal. Or Govardhan dekhiya, ek Govardhan বৃন্দাবন না যাইবে, বৃন্দাবন যাইবে না রহিবে চিরকাল, গোবর্ধন চড়িয়া না দেখিবে গোপাল। Don't you step on Giriraj Govardhan for the take darshan of Gopal. Madhavendra Puripad, he manifested Gopal. Gopal, he was staying in of the Giriraj Govardhan. But Brajavasi, they are going or not? Huh? Step. But you should not. Huh? You would think, oh, they are going, I am not go. No. Those who born in there, that is the ethical. Huh?
Exception.
They can do.
Family.
Brajavasi, they every day up and down in Giriraj Govardhan, no? This side to this side. Easy they are going. They have right. But you should not. So Mahaprabhu is saying, Govardhan jaive, Vrindavan jaive na rihi chilokal, Govardhan dekhiya na dekhive Gopal. Everything is according your adhikari will do. So, Madhavati. So today is called, so now 1:30, you are hungry. And Pandava Nirjala Ekadashi. You cannot Nirjala, no problem. Understand? And we actually this, why this day is called Nirjala Ekadashi? Because him one day he told to Krishna, and I cannot tolerate my hunger. What to do? And then Krishna told, okay, at least once a year, one Ekadashi you do Nirjala. For this regard, this is called Pandava Nirjala Ekadashi. Actually, this is for the instruction of Bhim. Other Ekadashi he performed, but actually in our life actually, one Ekadashi should be Nirjala. You did or not? Did. Okay.
In the past.
And especially this Ekadashi is very important also. Especially in India, this time is a very hottest month also. Little bit hard austerities. Kali Yuga we have no austerities. But what austerities? Just observe Ekadashi Tithi. Good one. And if you not also, something okay, at least until 12 o'clock, you drink water. After 12 o'clock, drink water. So he think already 2:30, 1:30. कुछ नहीं लेना नहीं है.
देंगे.
केला दिया था, I gave banana. You ate or not? You keep reserve.
Oh, prove, huh?
Okay. So today is very super excellent auspicious day. What did he say? Madhava Tithi. Remember. Very nice. What is your question?
Just about the Nirjala Ekadashi. Is it all Ekadasis are same benefit of the Nirjala, or this one special because it's Pandava Nirjala and if you do Nirjala?
If you this also, this is also you will get a special benefit you will get. If you do Pandava Nirjala Ekadashi.
More than the other Ekadashis.
या भीम के जैसे एक बार करो.
तो भीम आदर्श आर नहीं करते थे क्या? एवरी एकादशी करते थे. पर मे बी आदर्श एकादशी ही eat some fruits anukalpa. But this Ekadashi Nirjala. And Krishna told actual one Ekadashi you have to Nirjala. Once a year one Ekadashi. And if your health is good, not by force. Bhakti is not giving too much or not Hatajog. Hatajog understand. Hatajog means is what? By force. Hot. Hot means you are stubborn. By force. Do. Shastra saying anything you can do, not by force. Simple way you can do. Because bhakti, everything you are coming from simple way. And if your health is good, So you can Nirjala according to your health. And so far the Shastra and saying if your health is not good, some give some concession. But Kali Yuga, all you are taking the concession card. Even whose health is good, also he is taking the concession card. Understand? So no problem. Everybody now take the concession card. If you do Nirjala, get one fruits. Or if you take some fruits and do the not same, benefit will get. You understand? Same benefit will not get. Or your health is good, Lord will ask, hey, your health is good. Why did not? Why did you take this concession card?
Illegal.
Or फिर illegal no legal. Understand? This is Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. Bolo Govinda, Bolo Hari Gopal Bol. Govinda. Mero Radhar Adi karo. Midday Aarti you did or no? Are today Ekadasi I did Midday Aarti. And other day not doing. So something is better than nothing. Then you take prasad just 5 minutes.
You say do or die. करो नहीं तो मरो। यहाँ भी ये रूल अप्लाई कर सकते हैं।
अरे करना पड़ता है ना। बद्ध जीव को यदि जब तक उनके इंस्ट्रक्शन है जो करेगा नहीं कुछ। बद्ध जीव तो सभी देखते हैं कंसेशन कार्ड कहाँ से मिले है, जिसके पास पैसा है वो भी सच सोचते हैं हम कंसेशन कार्ड मिल जाए। फ्री चीज सब लेना चाहते हैं, सब सुविधावादी है, चाहते कि जय नहीं चाहते। आप बताओ बस करें हम फ्री में ले चलो, चलो द्वारकापुरी चलो, सबके फ्री में ले जाए। जिसके पास है वो भी वो फिर भी चले, अंडरस्टैंड है। और जिसके पास नहीं है वो भी वो चाहते थे ठीक ले जाते सब, अंडरस्टैंड। Dwarka Bharat also this idea. Those who have no money can come free. Chalo, just come.
Maybe. मेरा नाम लिख
If you have no money, no problem. Come. If you are thinking, if you have no money, but you have money and bringing, and that money will be also a misuse. Understand? If you have no money, no problem. Chalo. Free. Come. Just. If you have no real money, chalo come.
If really you don't have any.
Come, why not?
If you come, and you have money.
When the sweet selling, no? Sweet seller. What is saying? Let's take this. And also give 1 or 2, also sweet free is giving. Take this. Giving or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
He gives it more.
Chalo.
It's appetizing.
Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. Understand? Vishwanath is free. Free journey.
Yes.
Free or not?
Yes.
Next time.
2 years old is free.
Free. But he's going by plane or not?
Yes.
Free also.
Free.
Free, but sometimes pay a little bit, but very little. $100.
$100. That's not free.
Yeah, no, some companies charge, some not, but if they charge, it's very, very little.
Compared to the
Compared to the
Good.
Not the full price.
Half price, then full price. 5 years for half price.
Until 2 years old is very little. They're very like $50.
50 cents. Okay, I'll do.
गोकुलरं जनकाला यशोमती नंदन व्रजवरना गोकुलरं जनकाला गोपी परनदन मदन मनोहर गोपी पर गोपी परनदन मदन मनोहर यशोमती नंदन ब्रज गोकुल रंजन काला यशोमती नंदन ब्रज गोकुल ब्रज जल पालना आसुर कोलना नंदा गोदन रखवाला जन पालना असुर कुलना नंदा गोदन गोविंद माधवा नवनीत गोविंद माधव नवनीत तास्करा गोविंद माधव नवनीत सुंदर नंद गोपाला यशोमती नंदन ब्रज नागर गोकुल रंजन काला यशोमती नंदन ब्रज नागर गोकुल रंजन जामुन तट चर गोपी बसन हरा जामुन तट चर गोपी बसन हरा जामुन तट चर गोपी बसन हरा रसिक कृपा मोया ओ श्री राधा वल्लभ वृंदावन नटवरा ओ श्री राधा वल्लभ वृंदावन नटवरा भक्ति विनोद आश्रया भक्ति विनोद आश्रया ओ यशोमती नंदन ब्रज नागर गोकुल रंजन काला यशोमती नंदन ब्रज नागर गोकुल रंजन काला जय राधा माधवा जय कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधवा जय गोपीजन बल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपीजन जय यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरा वनचारी जय यमुना तीरा वनचारी राधा विनोद बिहारी जय यमुना तीरा वनचारी राधा विनोद बिहारी ओ जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन बल्लभ गिरिवरधारी हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण ओ हरे राम 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 हरे हरे ओ हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे ओ हरे राम 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 हरे हरे ओ हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे ओ हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Nitya Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitya Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitya Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitya Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Gaura Premanande Nashi Guru Barangadar ki jai, Shri Radha Kanan Bihari ji ki jai, Jai Shubha Sudarshan, Shri Himachal Bhaktanta Bal Goswami Maharaj ki jai, Jai Shri Prabhu Vishnu Vishnupada Sudarshan, Shri Himachal Bhaktanta Shri Narayan Goswami Maharaj ki jai, Jai Shri Bhaktanta Vamana Goswami Maharaj ki jai, Shri Bhaktanta Swami Maharaj ki jai, Shri Bhakti Pragan Keshav Goswami Maharaj ki jai, Shri Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur ki jai, Shri Gokshadath Prabhuji Maharaj ki jai, Shri Siddhanta Bhaktivinoda Thakur ki jai, Jai Shri Jagannath Das Prabhuji Maharaj ki jai, Shri Upano Guru Varg ki jai, Jai Shri Sanatana Bhatta Raghunath Shri Yugopala Bhatta Das Raghunath Sadhu Goswami Prabhu ki jai, Jai Sarvapatama Narayanam Shri Guru Prasad Brind ki jai, Namacharya Sri Haridas Thakur ki jai, Praise Goswami Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sevadaita Gadadhar Shivaji Gaura Bhakta Brind ki jai, Jai Navadip Dam ki jai, Shri Vrindavanadam ki jai, Shri Jagannathpuri Dam ki jai, Sangaras Kari Shri Nishinadev Bhavam ki jai, Bhaktaran Shri Prahlad Maharaj ki jai, Jai Shri हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय, श्री ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, जय श्री पल्लव एकादशी जी की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, सौगात भक्त वृंद की जय, श्री गौर परमानंदे हरि हरि
तो जो